Members of Parliament are concerned over medicines on the shelves, this following the recent highlighting of medicinal manufacturer Farm's status as unlicensed and allegations of illegally imported quinine sulfate tablets into Namibia. These matters have raised questions over the safety, efficiency, and quality of Namibia's healthcare system. Local expert in retail pharmacy Eric Kambonde believes Namibia's pharmaceutical regulation is firm, though he points to delays in licensing and enforcement as challenges that require attention. Speaking on the NBC's parliamentary program Inside the Chambers, Kambonde said the Namibian workforce requires a boost in capacity as well as training, particularly within the health ministry, within the regulators, as well as pharmacists.
The most recent encounter we had was with COVID, for instance. That exposed our, you know, um, our stance as far as the global demand and the regulatory framework is. So we had to rely heavily on the international bodies. But academically and professionally, they are well equipped. But in terms of regulatory oversight, I would still think that there is still more professional development that needs to be done. And of course, we have issues such as the global demand of biological medications and your artificial intelligence coming in, and just to deal with general counterfeits at the global scale.
Kambonde believes industry bodies should play a stronger role in internal compliance and self-regulation within pharmaceutical companies.
If now you compromise on the enforcement of proper regulations and self-regulatory, you would realize that you end up with substandard products that are, of course, going to be harmful to our clients. And not only that, you again have to deal with issues such as smuggling of counterfeits in the countries, and you are going to have issues of antimicrobial resistance. You are going to have issues of the emergence of new diseases and all those ones, which again is going to be a very big battle. And that, of course, in the long run will increase the government expenditures.
He suggested systemic reforms in the pharmaceutical sector in order to build long-term trust, including improved tracking systems for licensing and drug safety. Kambonde said illegal cross-border pharmaceutical trade is not simply a health risk, rather it represents a national security issue that Namibia should sufficiently invest in to ensure protection of its borders, its regulatory bodies, and its border officers. Yoleni Shapela, NBC News, Windhoek.